Hello guys, my name is Matt Kelly with Ceramicpro, and today we're going to talk about Ceramicpro and the benefits of applying it to your investment. So, Ceramicpro is a liquid glass nanotechnology that is hand applied, and once it cures to your vehicle's paint, it actually turns into glass. Now, this glass is made of titanium dioxide, so it is one of the hardest products on the market, and therefore it is 3 times harder than your factory's clear coat. What does that mean to you? Well, that means that it's going to minimize scratches. Now, I'm not saying that when you're driving and you hit a tree, it's going to prevent this, but it does prevent the majority of when you're washing your vehicle and laying micro swirls in the paint, which are extremely ugly. It costs us a lot of money as car owners to keep a pristine surface, and Ceramicpro therefore is a good investment for not only cosmetic, the way the vehicle looks, but also on protecting the vehicle from UV damage and other things that can come in contact with it, such as bird droppings or anything that may etch the clear coat, which is all covered under a reinsured warranty. So what is multi-layerable nanotechnology? So basically, Ceramicpro, as you can see here in this illustration, here's your factory's clear coat, okay? It's about 3H. That is your typical hardness on a clear coat. As you add numerous layers of product, you're now creating a very thick buffer. And our lifetime gold package right here comes with 5 layers of Ceramicpro. So what that means is that any light damage will happen to the coating, which is very easily repaired simply by buffing without ever removing any factory clear coat. Because when you're going to your detailer and removing scratches, you're removing a little bit of clear coat each time, and you can only do that so many times before there's none left and you have to repaint the vehicle. So with this system here, you have 5 options. You have a sport package, a bronze package, which is a 2-year warranty. You have a silver package, which is a 5-year warranty. You have a silver plus package, which is also a 5-year warranty, but with an additional layer of coating, as well as the gold package, which is our top seller here at the Ceramicpro Auto Spa, because it comes with a lifetime warranty. Secondly, Ceramicpro, with its partnership with Carfax, it is presented on the Carfax report. What that means is that the new owner can also enjoy the benefits of taking over that warranty simply by registering with a certified installer shop. Ceramicpro is made of titanium dioxide. With this nanotechnology, it actually penetrates the pores and forms a glass structure on the surface. Now, this stuff is very flexible, so it will not crack or chip or do anything weird on your paint. It also does not yellow, so you will get long-time benefits with a very clean, pristine surface. But this is very permanent. Now, you'll say, what about wax? Well, our slogan here at the Ceramicpro Auto Spa is wax is dead. Why is it dead? I'm going to show you here with this candle trick. So as you can see here, we got a nice clean candle on one side, and we're going to roll it through the parking lot just to kind of show you how candle wax, or any type of wax for that matter, being that it has a melting point, is almost a magnet for dirt. As you can see, this thing is covered in stones, okay? Now, think about this. On a hot black car, as you're driving, and you're getting that road dust that kicks up onto the vehicle, and yes, it's a little dusty and very fine, but what is that dust made of? Well, it's microscopically ground up stones from the road, years of driving over top of them. And so even though it's very fine, it's highly abrasive. And that has trapped itself into your vehicle's wax, so when you're washing your car, you're grinding that into the paint. And that is what creates swirl marks. So to recap, Ceramicpro provides you several different benefits. We have the self-cleaning effect, we have the permanent protection, we have the extreme gloss. It also comes with the best UV protection in the market, and it has a 9H hardness, which is above 9H and above other coatings on the market. Now, all of this stuff is backed by a lifetime warranty, so you have peace of mind that we trust and believe in the product that we're putting on your vehicle. So you've learned the benefits of Ceramicpro, and now you're interested in finding a local installer? Well, visit the link below and search at ceramicpro.com for a certified installer today. Thanks for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.